Alright, welcome to episode 2 of Spider-Man grappling hook. And here you can see I have designed a grappling hook in this designing software. And now I'm going to print it out using my 3D printer. Alright, just taking the micro SD card down to the printer. So looks like it's still heating up, so that's supposed to be 190 and that's supposed to be 50, so I'm going to put the card in and start this print. Sure got that. Alright, started printing the grappling hook. Well, we'll be back in 2 and something hours when it's done. Boom! There it is. That's a grappling hook just finished printing, and as you can see, the support material for the hook up there kind of started to fall down, but it started working again, and yeah, I'm going to take it off and we'll take a look. Right, here's the grappling hook without the support material. Let me show you how it works. So it's hollow on the inside, so this will fit over the barrel of the air cannon, and then the paracord line will be tied through here, and then it'll latch onto something to climb up. And this is just a printed type. I don't expect this to hold my weight. And yeah, tomorrow we're gonna do some testing because it's nighttime right now. Yeah. So what this is, you attach like a bike pump from a bicycle, and you pump it up to like 100 psi, and then what happens is this is an electric solenoid valve, so there's all this pressure in here, and when you have 2 9-volt batteries hooked up this way, have in this bag there, hooked up with these connectors, which the other one fell off, so you can see, and then when you push a button, but then all the pressure comes out and it leaves a giant like shot of air coming out of that pen cap. So when I did this, I just like shot some like random stuff like a Nerf bullet or like a drill bit. That was fun. But now I want to shoot this grappling hook. But unfortunately, when I designed it, can you see that? Yeah, when I designed it, you can see it doesn't fit over it, unfortunately. So I had to make this adapter thingy right here. This is just like a drinking straw from the dollar store attached to the pen, because the pen actually fits perfectly into the end of the solenoid, and the grappling hook fits perfectly over the straw. So this can fit in there and hopefully shoot out. So I'm gonna attach that now. Alright, so I got that mounted on there, and here, as you can see, this fits nicely over that. So the idea is, when you fire this, all the compressor will come out the end and launch this off. Alright, this is the battery holder design. Now I'm gonna print it. Alright, it is tomorrow, and I finally get a chance to test this with the air cannon. I was going to reattach this part and maybe hook up a button to here, but I actually don't have that much time. I only have like a half hour. Just pump this up to around 80 psi, and now I'm gonna shoot it. Alright, first test is the grappling hook. This is test 1. First test, 3, 2, 1. I think that worked. Alright, got the grappling hook back. As you can see, it's still in one piece. But that went like all the way across the yard, like over to like there. Yeah. That was really good. I have high hopes for this thing. 3, 2, 1. The hook broke. Yeah, because I hit the pavement. For the actual thing, it's gonna be made out of aluminum, but that went really high. Like, let me show you a little perspective here. That like went way higher than like that last power line up there. It went like at least to there. So that's like That's a pretty tall power line. It's at least like 50, 70, or maybe 100 feet. So that's pretty high. Alright guys, it's nighttime now, and I'm gonna start putting a new grappling hook. So in the morning, we'll see that. So alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you haven't already checked out the first episode and the intro video, you should go and do that. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends so we can get sort of a following going here. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.